Hello and welcome again to this nice tutorial where we are going to be learning how to add a payment gateway to a Canva website. In this YouTube channel, there's a different tutorial on how to create a Canva website. But in this case, we are going to be adding a payment gateway to that Canva website. To do that, you need to go to squareup.com and sign up for a free account. How you sign up? You simply come in and fill in your details here. So you put your email address there, then you confirm the email, then you create a password, then you select agree, and then you click on continue. Then you will answer these questions about your business. Tell us about your business. What kind of business are you in? You'll select one of these ones. Then you will answer these other questions. You'll put in your details and click on continue. Then you'll select the kind of business you run. And then click on continue. Then you select where you'll sell it, and you can select more than one. Then you click on continue. Then how will you take your payment? You can select one. And then you'll click on continue. Once you complete the registration, you'll be brought to this website. And so I'm going to be adding an item here. I click on add item. Then I create new item. Then I'll give the name of the item. Then the category. Then I'll give the description there. And then I can add the image. And then I can add variations here for the item that I want to add. Then here I can add the units and the price here, and then the weight if it's necessary. And then once all that is done, I'll click on save, so that now our item is successfully added. Our item is already added, so I'll click back here, then click home. Then I'll scroll down to payments, and then I'll click there. And then I'll click on the online checkout button. And then I'll create a link here. And the link is to collect a payment. I click on that. Then I'll give the details for that link. Just maybe put it pay here. And then the price for our clock was, and then the price for our watch, we put it at 1,000. The description, we had put it as golden. And then we click on create link. And then now we are ready to share our link here. So I'll copy this link. Then I'll come back to my Canva, and here is my Canva. And then I'll use one of my websites that I had created. So I'll click on this one. So you notice now we have our JoshNet online class. And maybe this is the class that I also want to sell, maybe a watch. And I want to put the part for buying the watch here at the top. So to do that, and then I'll click here on elements. Then I can search for the word button. Then I can decide which button I would need. In this case, let me choose the blue one. And so we have it here. I will resize it. And I'll put it at the top there. And maybe to even make this better, now I'll just add another design here. I'll look for a watch. So I'll click on elements. Then again, I'll look for an image of a watch. I'll select the second one here. Then I'll add it there. And remember, on my square, I didn't add an image, but I can add it also on square. And then I can just put it here. So in this case, I now want to add a text here for buy now. Then I add the link that I got from Square app. Then I'll be adding it to my Canva. So I'll put the text here. Then I select the text, add a heading. Maybe my heading will be buy now. My heading will be buy now. Then I can resize the text. I can change the color of that text. In this case, let me put it to be white, that way. And then what I can now do with this is I can link these two. So I will link this box and the text. I select the two. Then I group so that now they are one. So now we have the button here. So I'll click on that text. So after that now, if I want to link the Square app link to my buy now, I'll simply come to that and double click. And you notice we have an icon coming up here for link. I'll click on that. Then I will paste my link there, the one that I had copied from my Canva. I'll paste that there. And then I click outside. And you notice here we have link added. So that means if a person now comes and clicks on buy now, then they'll be able to buy this item. I can also decide to add that link to also this box, such that a person can also click on the box. And so with that, the link is already added to the buy now. And I can click on that. And then if I want to change that link to any other thing, I just click on link. You notice it's already here. I can delete that if I want to, but in this case, I just click on done. That means now that I have added a payment gateway to my Canva. So here I'm on Canva, but a person wants to get some, but if a person wants to make any payment to me, then they simply click on this one. Maybe I can even change this to pay now or whichever thing that I would want to. Then once I'm through with that, I'll click on publish website. I can also click on preview to see how it will look like. And so this is how it will look like on our preview. So you notice now we have our buy now added here. And so if a client wants to make any payment through Canva, then I have already added my payment link through that. So I hope that has been helpful, and that is how you add a payment gateway to Canva website. Now for this, how we created this website here using Canva, there's a different tutorial in this YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.